Danish for Beginners course is for private individuals or companies and includes a free introductory meeting with one of our teachers. This free initial meeting is without obligation. The aim of the course is to learn the basics of the Danish language and to be able to communicate and understand Danes. What can you gain from this course? You will quickly increase your vocabulary, learn basic grammar, learn correct pronunciation. You will also learn about Danish culture and Danish values. No previous knowledge of the Danish language is required. Teaching can take place at your home, at one of our many teaching sites, or at your offices. Teaching times are flexible. If you need more information, please ring us on 7026 2460 or email susie@incom.dk, or you're very welcome to fill in our contact form below.